Hi, I'm Jared, and welcome to Intuit Education. Intuit Education brings real-world tools to the classroom, enabling students' future financial success using Intuit's TurboTax and Mint. We are demystifying tax day anxiety by building student confidence through project-based learning. Using our W-2s, students get to learn the process of filing taxes. Developing smart money habits early on in the classroom can have a long-lasting impact. Using our simulated environment, students get to choose from a variety of different W-2s and actually begin to practice filing taxes. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. First, go to https://accounts.intuit.com/TurboTaxOnline/education. Next, we're going to go ahead and create your fictional accounts. Let's start with an email. You can use any name you like, but it must end with @intuiteducation.com. For example, taxes are fun @intuiteducation.com. Then, we are going to copy the email you created into the confirm email and user ID fields. All right, let's now enter 555-555-5555 as your phone number. Be sure to uncheck the box to verify with text message. Lastly, let's create your password. Use capital T, TurboTax, 1234, exclamation. Don't forget to re-enter the same password twice. Then, let's press Create Account. On the next screen, go ahead and click Continue to TurboTax. Congrats! You've made it to the student simulation. Only a couple more steps before we get started. Scroll down the page and select File for 0. Once you see the page, let's start by getting to know you. You're ready to start the simulation. That's all you need to go ahead and get started. If you still have questions, check out the teacher checklist for more helpful hints. And until next time, enjoy your lesson.